You're welcome. I'm Samson Ladia Yanini. I'm your host, and thanks, as always, for joining us. And here is my take. I'm still on the road safety campaign, and it doesn't look surprising, but should this continue to happen, that we continue to see the increase in carnage on our roads, particularly as we head into the festive season in December. My take, I simply ask you, wear your seatbelt. Wear that seatbelt. It saves life and limb. So the law is quite straightforward, and it makes it mandatory that once you step into a vehicle, as a driver or as a passenger, you are required to wear your seat belt. This is for your own protection. So why don't we use it? Well, if you fail to wear the seat belt, you are liable to be taken to court and maybe fined 120 Ghana cedis or 600 Ghana cedis. That is between 120 to 600 Ghana cedis fine. Or in addition to that, go to jail for 3 months. This should not happen. It's for your own protection. So just wear the seat belt. It saves life and limb. Thank you very much. And as always, this show is brought to you by the kindest sponsorship of Bank of Africa, as strong as a group and close as a partner. MTN, everywhere you go. Ashesi University, educating ethical and entrepreneurial leaders for Africa. We lead properties. Home is where one starts. Having mosquito spray and coil, pleasant on humans, tough nightmare on insects, and Napa Foods. It's tasty. DBS Industries, we truly are your roof experts. Robert & Sons Limited, optical services, your comprehensive eye care services provider. Rehoboth Properties, quality housing for all. Fabrimental, your partner in steel. Trasaco Fast Floors, stronger, faster, and affordable. And Cap Farm, Legends Nights. Of course, my outfit is by Habel's Crouter, and they are found at Adjiringano Gate, East Legon. You can call them 0200 84 1988. 0200 84 1988. We will be right back, but in Parliament, to gauge what happened, the legal effect of what happened, and going forward, what is likely to happen. Has the budget been rejected for good? Well, in America, the economy gets shut down a number of times because of some of these issues. But this hardly happens on this side of the continent or the world. We'll be right back.